So today, guys, I just got a package in. I bought some inexpensive, very inexpensive wireless microphones. It's a dual set, and I bought it from Walmart.com. I guess the partner company was Jet.com. I bought it from. So I'm going to go ahead and open this thing. And let's see what it actually looks like. Okay. So we got that out the way. And we got this. This is an ultra cool sheet of paper. Imagine the things I can do with this. But yeah, here it is. Better view. The Noxa, the new generation in technology, NAM 984 professional dual wireless microphone system. Now I wonder what she's really doing. Is she like posing, or is she really singing on this thing? This. All right, so here we go. We're gonna go ahead and open this thing. Apparently, it opens from this direction. So now that we're opening it, this is what it's gonna look like. Fantastic. So the first, you do have a TRS or audio cable. What's a tip sleeve? But it's an audio cable for your microphone. You plug this into your PA mixer, or directly into your karaoke speaker. But you would plug this into the mixer. So it's a good thing it actually has this. It looks like you have your power cord, which is probably attached to this wireless monitor here. It's very light. It's like really light. So it's not heavy. This means it's not durable. So this means, like, when you use this thing, take absolute care of it. Don't let nobody come and say, "Oh, I gotta get past you," and there's a little space, because if they knock this thing off and crash, and it's gonna probably break something on the inside, and then you're gonna end up returning it for another one or something like that if you bought the purchase plan. Or I'm not sure, like the return policy, the amount of days you have on something like this. But yeah, this is what we have here. The dual system. Of course, you got your power button. I'm not sure if I showed you the back. That one audio output, that's all you need right there. Plug it in and plug the other end into your mixer, your PA mixer. And then we have this as well. So the microphone is pretty good. It's lightweight as well. I think it's a bit heavier than, actually it's about a little less in weight, just a tiny bit less in weight. The switch on and off button, well, it has two, so it's like what's that, on, probably standby right there, and then you got off. So I guess standby is like, hey, don't turn it off, but turn it on. Professional microphone. I hope it has a good quality. I'll be checking that out probably in the next video when I set up the speakers and everything later. But yeah, this is number one, and this is number two. And apparently you see that they're automatically color coded. One is red and one is green or orange, whatever color that is. Same thing by center. And I'm going to take this thing off the bottom. So what goes there? A 9-volt battery, I believe. Yeah, a 9-volt battery goes here. And you see, like, looking on the inside, it's not the standard, the little standard plugins that you actually have with the 9-volt batteries, which you typically take out. You connect it to the 9-volt battery, and then you put it back in. Apparently there's only like a sheet of aluminum you have there that will be the conductor of the power, I guess. So again, it's plastic. It's okay, but be extra careful. Make sure nobody drop these things, because I can expect them to break, especially from the bottom. Let's say if it falls, like, boom, it'll break. head first may have some durability, but you know, you don't want no head first drop, no kind of drops whatsoever. So just be careful to take care of your equipment. It may last long. I'm like, you know, the usefulness will come in handy. I don't know what it sounds like, but like I said, I'm gonna make another video and show you what it sounds like. Or actually, I just probably add to this video right here, and I'll show you what it sounds like later. But later just maybe in the next second. Enjoy, guys.